In front of me is Vivo X200 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in Welcome pop-up and go into Tab menu. Now you need to click on this icon at the top right corner. And then look for Caffeine shortcut at the bottom. Hold it, drag it to your current ones, let go and go back. Then tap on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!